Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly AI for editing social media captions. So I will be on my Grammarly app, but I will just move in the next app is Instagram, and this is the cat photo and I want to post it here, and I want to generate the captions from Grammarly AI. So I will just use this icon which is Grammarly, and I will just give them command to write a caption on Instagram post on cat image. So I will just give them command so it will generate it easily. I will just tap to simply insert, and it will write just a little bundle of pores and mischief, cat life, and Finland fun. So you will see, in this way you can just use Grammarly AI for editing social media captions, and it will also generate hashtags. You will see cat life, feline fun. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.